single UR3E cobot arm with the multi-tool mount and 3 NSR PG URE grippers is automatically measuring 5 different features on a part and logging the data to a PC. First, the robot places the part on a standard fixture. Flat fingertips then measure dimension 1 and dimension 2, thickness of the flange and the height of the part. The robot then repositions the part to take 3 additional measurements. The outer diameter of the flange, the inner diameter using the pin's fingertips, and then the outer diameter of the post. During the entire process, data is captured and logged to a PC for analysis. NuScale provides a detailed tech note and programming examples for setting up data logging on your PC. Measurement data can also be used in real time for in-process decision making, for example, sorting parts. This is the first system for automated